So this is MusicLM. I have not looked at this yet. This is the first time I logged in and left this screen here just before we went live. So I have not worked with MusicLM, but this is in Google's labs. So Google has created this AI tool that makes music. Let's read this together and we'll find out how it works. So about MusicLM, how to make a good prompt. Be descriptive, electronic or classical instrument sounds best. Mention the vibe, mood, or emotion you want to create. Certain queries that mention artists or include vocals will not be generated. Okay, so you're not supposed to try to rip off copyrighted music. Improve the model by giving out trophies. You tell Google which songs sound best, and then you can save them. Okay, this is a very simple interface. What shall we create? Okay, let's say a hip-hop electronic beat. Pretty simple. All right, so it's doing something. Let's find out what happens here. That's kind of cool. So there we go. I've got music that I could actually use that. We could use that in an ad. I could use that on my show. So let's see, what does the three dots do? So you can download it, send feedback, and then share it. Let's try an old-timey country music cowboy song. Let's find out what that does. Oh, wow. Awesome. I really like how the interface is simple and you can come up with this. Let's take some of these, let's see, tribal drumming, and let's just see what that 2 words, let's find out what it makes. And then also we had smooth jazz, modern jazz, but there was even a weird, like a hint of a vocal going on in the background. Crazy. So, I mean, you think about this, a short time ago, none of this technology existed. And here I can just type in any idea I want and it's going to spit out music that I can use. It's just crazy to me. Let's try some more. Modern jazz. That was one. Let's see what else. So we have smooth jazz also. A Brazilian samba. I'll try that. Wow. That's kind of crazy. Let's try track 2. I feel like I'm in an elevator listening to some jazz being played there. Okay, cool. And then here, let's try, it was samba, right? It's Brazilian samba. And we'll try that out. Let's listen to the Brazilian samba. Oh, that's weird. Track 2 came out silent. Obviously looks like a bug. Oh, there we go. So now, obviously the music isn't going to win a Grammy, right? You know, but if you're making music for commercial purposes, right? A little track that kind of sits underneath one of your videos. Like we're using a lot of AI music in our ads, but it's really good to usually have that in your advertisements. This is fantastic for that. You saw my corny theme song for my show, right? Same thing. That was generated by AI. And I can only imagine, like I created that a few weeks back. What's going to be coming down the pipe? I mean, I think we're going to get to a place pretty quickly where AI music to the non-trained ear will sound as good as real, I'll use air quotes, real music. I'm very impressed with it so far. And by the way, if you haven't yet got access to Suno, Suno is another project. That's what I use to make my little theme song for my show. We covered how to use Suno on an earlier episode, but Suno is another place you can get some great AI music with vocals. I would say if you can't get access to this, look up Suno AI, and it's just something that you install on Discord. If you're not yet a member of Push Button AI, then what are you doing? So I would like to invite you to a free masterclass. We're going to be covering in detail how to create an entire digital online course, an entire business, in fact, that can be set up 100% using AI. And if you'd like to attend that free masterclass, what you're going to want to do is head over right now to pushbutton.ai/free class. In that class, I'm going to show you how we can help 2 different kinds of people. Number 1, if you've got a business and you want to add training, courses, or information to your existing business as a new profit center, or maybe a way to add value to your customers, Then I'm going to show you how to do a detailed 10 module training course, including 50 to 60,000 words of content. Have it set up and built for you by AI. Also, if you're trying to start your first business online and you're looking for a great business model to make some money online, then Push Button AI is the right solution. And I'll show you how you can use this amazing tool to build an entire business like that. In a snap, Push Button AI will build an entire course for you, create video training, audio training, write your sales page for you, write 30 days of emails for you, create your logo, build your website, set up your shopping cart, set the entire thing up, create a members area so that people can pay you to get access to the course, and you get to charge money and keep all the profits. It's quite easy. You answer 2 questions and you hit a button and it literally does everything for you. A logo, a 30-day email sequence, your sales pages for selling your product. It creates the entire training course that you can charge money for. It installs your website, sets up your hosting, launches your site. It even helps you pick the perfect domain name, all powered by AI. You just literally log in and start up your brand new business. So attend the free masterclass. I'll show you a live demo of how it works. I'll explain the entire business model so you can see exactly how does it work and how do you profit. That's pushbutton.ai/free class. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. You'll see it down below the video down there somewhere. Hit subscribe, hit the like button. It actually will make sure that you're notified next time that we go live. We release content all throughout the week, by the way, so we have videos on additional strategies and tactics to be dropping to you all week long. Check out all of our useful content. Head over to pushbutton.ai/free class if you're not yet a customer. Every paying customer, we're going to be taking today's training. We'll take all the prompts, all the resources, everything that you need to use it, and we're going to put it in your paid members area. So you'll see it in your AI profits course inside your members area. On that note, I'll see you there. Bye for now.